Another reason to always have empty equipment in your bee yard. This is a dead out. And obviously somebody likes it. Don't know where it came from because I just worked all the bees and everybody's happy, no queen cells. But this is first swarm of the year, 2025. And it comes to me. They seem to be coming in from that direction. Could be a swarm I lost last year. Because that two-frame mating nuke has a queen cell in it. And I would say the mama's already in the box. Sit down here on the ground, look underneath, make sure she's not under there. Because that would not be the first time that I've seen them go in and the queen go underneath. That is a 2-inch thick hive body. I sold the queen out of it in late September, and the new queen did not build up strong enough to make it through the winter. But hey, it worked. I didn't even go in and take the frames out. Did not even go in and take the sugar shim off of it. But you can't beat it when they come to you. Like I said, there's always an importance of having empty equipment in your bee yard. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees. Can't get no easier than that. Like, share, and subscribe.